Hey here, this is a video of the microwave. This is a Kenmore. Has multiple features there. Quick touch sensor for vegetables, entrees, reheating, baking potatoes, rice, popcorn. Other features like auto defrost, express defrost, more or less, melt soften, cook, kitchen timer, clock, option, whatever. Features even add a minute. And that's the ice maker and the refrigerator running. You can easily tell like when this was manufactured, but that's not when we bought it 10 years ago. Model number 721.632593001. Supposed to be like say a 1200 watt microwave. Features you can sensor cook, sensor reheat, auto cook, melt, soften, you can express defrost, whatever, to thaw in 1 pound of food very quickly. It's been used for like 10 years. Had it for 10 years. Like when this was bought, it was like bought at Kmart, when they used to have Kmarts around here. Figure, bought at Kmart, bought on layaway, and then came here. That tail's been like thoroughly cleaned and cleaned multiple times already. I'm not kidding you. Yeah, this microwave's definitely been put through a lot of use for 10 years. Reheating shit. Sometimes defrosting shit. I'm not kidding you. And the reason why this video of a microwave is done because some subscriber asked for, mentioned do a video of a microwave. That was that video I put up about the garage heater. So, I was well to say. And there's the video of the microwave.